Welcome to our tutorial on how to import contacts from a file on Gmail using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open your web browser and go to gmail.com, your go-to platform for managing emails and contacts efficiently. Next, locate the top right corner of the Gmail interface and click on the 9 dots icon to access Google Apps. From the drop-down menu, select Google Contacts to navigate to your contact list within Gmail. Once you're in Google Contacts, direct your attention to the left-hand side and click on Import Download to initiate the import process. A window will appear prompting you to select file. Click on this option to choose the file containing the contacts you want to import. Browse through your computer files, locate the desired contact file and click Choose to select it for import. Finally, click on Import to upload the selected file and add the contacts to your Gmail contact list. By following these simple steps, you can easily import contacts from a file into Gmail, streamlining the process of managing your contact information. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to import contacts from a file on Gmail. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your email management experience.